Hello again and welcome back. So here I have another $4 Canadian dollar store item. This is a power bank with flashlight. There's not too much information here. It says ultra bright LED flashlight. It says it's 2200 milliamp hours. I'll believe it when I see it. And I think it comes with its own charge cable, but that's about it. So let's see what's going on here. It's of course extreme power, so you know it's good because it says extreme right on the box. Enter to win free monthly giveaways. No? I'll pass. Well, I wasn't really able to handle this because it was inside this big packaging, but this thing is tiny. There's probably only one 18650 in here. If there's two batteries, they're the 14500s. It's got a little bit of gravity to it. So let's see. I don't know if there's any battery left in here. Yeah, 0 grams. I don't know, can you see the 0 grams? I can't tell. 68 grams. Ouch. I don't know if this thing's going to be any good. Only one way to find out though. So let's see if it works first, because if I take it apart before I turn it on, then I won't know if I buggered it or if it came buggered. So let's see. Press and hold. Yeah, there's a flashlight. It is extremely dim. It's just a 5mm LED. I can see there's a blue LED inside there, just to tell that it's on. Yeah, okay, that's not just my vision failing me. Okay, let's see if it can handle a crappy load. This is my battery charger for making these videos. I'm going to plug that in. I guess I have to press the button. 5 volts, 4.99, 4.69, and it's pulling just about an amp. Oh, damn, it pulled just over an amp and then it shut down. Okay, well, that kind of sucks. This was literally my USB load. Okay. Well, I don't even know how charged this is. I don't even know how to tell how charged this is, but I think I'm just going to go for it. I think we're just going to go ahead and open this up. I'm curious though, because $4, if it's a quality cell in there, $4 is a reasonable price to pay for a quality 18650. Now, is it a quality 18650? Probably not. But you never know until you check, right? If it was a Panasonic or something like that, an LG cell, that'd be great, but it's probably a Chinesium no name. Okay, so it's a blue cell. INR XN 18650, 2200 milliamp hours on the logo, on the label. So it's actually possible that it has the right rating. Let's see how many volts this is charged up to from the factory. It looks like it was constructed in 2018, May? January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, 5th month, 11th day. It is now May 2019, so it's been existing for over a year. 3.4. So that is actually pretty far discharged. So maybe it was turning off because it was too far discharged. There's a chip here. It's a single, like really there's nothing to it. There's a button there. There's a single chip a couple passives, and when I say a couple, I mean a couple. A USB socket, another USB socket, an LED, an inductor, and that's it. The single chip is the TP 9315. This board was designed in 2017 as per the silk screen. So I suppose the only thing I can do now is charge this for a little bit, see what it's like, and try to draw current from it again. So let me pause while I do that. Well, it's been like 20 minutes and I give up. This is charging extremely slowly. So first things first, the lead that came with it, this micro USB, I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it's screwed up. Maybe, I don't know. It wouldn't charge with it. So I used my own lead here, and now it's charging. You can see the blue light flashing on and off. It's pulling about a constant amp, 1 amp from the wall at 5 volts. And this thing is taking absolutely forever to charge. So let me prop that up so you can see it. 1 and 2. Look at that. 3.78, 3.79, something like that. Oh, I pressed the button by accident. Was that on? I hope that wasn't on. Okay, the chip is warm, but not hot. Yeah, warm. And everything seems to be working. So the fact that it's been charging at an amp for 20 minutes and it went up, 100 millivolts or less, actually less than 100 millivolts, means that this might actually be a 2200 milliamp hour cell, which is a good sign. I'm not complaining about that at all. I did look up what XN18650, who makes it, and it looks like it's pure Chinesium, so whether or not that's the actual capacity, it's yet to be seen, but the fact that it's charging so slowly, even with 1 amp at 5 volts, or 5 watt charging basically, means that I'm confident that this has a reasonable capacity. Maybe not 2200 milliamp hours, but maybe in another video I'll have to give that a shot. Just at the moment, I'm still working on a USB load so I can actually pull down these power banks and give them a test. But for now, I think that's it. And if you want to see future tests and stuff, make sure you're subscribed. Once again, thanks for watching.